Welcome to Module 1 of Social Media Marketing Content Strategy 101. In this lesson, we are laying the foundation of your social media journey. Whether you're a complete beginner or brushing up your basics, this module will give you the clarity you need. Social media marketing is the process of using social platforms to connect with your audience, build your brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. It's a powerful mix of content creation, community building, and analytics-driven strategy. With over 4.9 billion people using social media globally, platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube have become essential tools for marketers and businesses. If you're not marketing where your audience lives, you're missing out. Each platform has its own personality and strengths. Use Instagram for stunning visuals and storytelling, LinkedIn for networking and B2B content, Facebook for communities and ads, YouTube for longer educational videos. And don't ignore TikTok or Pinterest. They can surprise you in the right niche. One size doesn't fit all. Instagram users want aesthetic, short-form video. LinkedIn demands value and professional tone. TikTok is raw, real, and quirky. Learn how each platform talks and adapt your voice. Not all content is created equal. Create educational posts to teach, entertaining content to hook, emotional stories to connect, engaging content to build community, and sales-driven posts to convert. Organic content builds trust, but it's slow. Paid advertising gives fast results, but it costs. The smart marketer learns to balance both. Get familiar with the language of social media. Engagement, reach, impressions, CTR, conversions. These aren't just buzzwords, they're how you measure your success. Short-form video is everywhere. AI is changing how we create content. User-generated content and authenticity now matter more than filters and polish. To win at social media, pick the right platform. Create valuable, consistent content. Understand your audience. Measure results and never stop experimenting. If you're enjoying these modules and want to build real campaigns on live projects, then don't forget to check out our JIP program, Job-Oriented Industrial Projects by Growth Mandi. You'll get weekend live classes, real client projects, 15+ premium marketing tools, dual certifications, resume, cover letter portfolio, 100% placement assistance. Just search JIP by Growth Mandi on Google or visit growthmandi.com to join. Great job completing Module 8. In the next module, we'll dive deeper into content strategy, how to plan, write, and schedule posts that actually work. See you there.